lost the ring my girlfriend gave me. I know. I'm a dumbass. I lost it. So right now I'm going to where I work. So I'm gonna go check where I parked in the morning to see if I find it. Hopefully I do find it. I also I moved the microphone on my helmet because the last location the last spot I had it on, you could hear my breathing a lot. It was way too hard. So I moved it. Hopefully it's better. Hopefully you can't hear me like breathing hard, because that's just annoying, especially when I'm editing and like there's good parts and I just hear myself breathing really loud. It just ruins the whole clip. Also, I'm like playing around with the settings, with the GoPro settings, to get better quality, because my last video, it was like not the worst, but it could have definitely be better. It was so grainy. It's because I think those settings require an ND filter. Yeah, so I'm just messing around with the settings as I go. I want to learn how to wheelie so bad. Like, I want to practice it, but at the same time I'm like, I don't want to eat shit. I don't want the bike to fall on me. That shit looks sick. And then I'd be at the light, and then motherfuckers be like, wheelie, wheelie. I'm like, I don't know how to wheelie. And that shit just awkward. I definitely will practice it at some point. I might just get a Grom just to practice how to wheelie. I'm gonna go the speed limit around here. There's a lot of cops around here. It looks like it's about to rain. Fuck, hopefully it doesn't rain, because I want to take my bike to school tomorrow. It's so fucking cold. It's raining. Riding around like this is just peaceful. I feel lazy sometimes just to get up. Oh no, riding around like this is peaceful, but I definitely need to get my license, so I'm not like worried about cops. Wait. I might just get my permit and ride around with that. Is that recommendable? I don't know. At least that would take off some level of stress. Look at this idiot. What should we get? I'm gonna go with these because my girls like these ropes. I'm gonna get a drink. Does it have the? Which one is it? No, not blueberry. They do. Oh, they got Juneberry. These are fucking gas. All right, thank you. You too. I didn't hear what he said in the beginning. Oh shit, you saw that? Fucking two cop bikers. Oh fuck, he's gonna right behind me. If I get stopped, it's over. Fuck, he's right behind. I think they want me. Look, that guy's going fast. Is that a cop behind? I'm not sure. Fuck, I gotta go the speed limit because I don't got my license. Fuck, and I'm late to class. Oh! The house is interesting. Oh, yeah. And people got money. Must be nice to have an AMG. That's just clean. That's just sick. I can't beat that. Nah, I can't beat that. I'm not in the skill level yet. If we die, we die. crash. Sheesh, she's going crazy. Oh, this fucking road is shaky. Fuck! That shit's gonna make me eat shit. It's raining! It's so fucking cold! It's raining! Ah, my neck! Ah, fuck! I think it's only around here in San Bruno. Once I get where I live, in the city I live, I don't think it will be raining.